Good evening, my dear students. How are you all? Hope all are doing well. Welcome to my channel, the online sections with Ashan Abraham. Enlightenment through knowledge. Yes. So here we are starting a new endeavor. You know that because of the corona or because of the COVID-19, all the colleges, the schools, everything is shut down all over the world. So, but we don't want our St. Mary's student or a St. Mary's school or we teacher or the principal don't want to excuse anything for your studies. So we are starting a new endeavor. Plus, we are starting a online classes through online medias, virtual medias. So basically, I'm introducing this class. Mainly through this video, I'm just giving a brief introduction how we are processing the online classes or going forward how will be the style or how will be the way of taking the online classes. It may differ from different teachers, but I'm just telling as an overall, okay? And welcome all 6 students to 7th and 7th to 8th, okay? So basically I'm making this video for all 7th standard students and all 8th standard students. So please be careful about the things which I am mentioning here. And I'm very happy. My first time in my St. Mary's school, like history, I'm just going to teach you people 8th standard students, the newcomer, all the newcomers of 8th standard. So I never taught you before that. So just cop up with me and the way of style, the way of teaching, everything. Okay. So at plus 6, all 6th standard. Or in X section A I haven't teach, by section B I already taken the classes. I was the English teacher. So here also I will be mainly focusing on the grammar part. As of now I will be focusing on main subject English plus grammar. Grammar maybe once in a blue moon we will be taking the grammar parts till the school reopens. But as of now we will be mainly focusing on English subject. So before going to the subject and subject part, all the textbooks, and one main thing, we have changed the book. Okay, we are not going to follow the last book, the last year's book which we are following for last couple of years. This year we have changed all the books, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, all standard. The English main course book is changed. So we will later we will come up to the book point. There is whether you want to follow this online classes, just make a question whether you want to follow the online classes which the teacher of St. Mary's is taking. Yes, you should follow the classes because hereafter we are not knowing when the school is going to reopen. By the grace of God, by the hope we can say within a month or within a couple of months the school will be going to open. But we are not going to make any excuses in your studies or in your academic. So we are starting the classes. So anyone who is thinking that it is not compulsory or it is not mandatory, just put in your mind that it is very mandatory. Clear? So these many days or this many a couple of months you were having, you enjoyed a lot. But now onwards we want to be serious, little more serious in your studies, all 7th and 8th. The video is for, again, the video is for 7th and 8th. An introduction, just an introduction before you are going to get the classes, the online sections from your teachers. And when the school reopens, we are all the main subject teachers are going to teach take the online sections here. When the school reopens, we need to see the notes of entire classes according to their subject, according to each subject of each teacher. But for me, I will be telling you later. For my subject English, it's little differ. You want to make notes, I will be giving you the notes and the question answers, but you want to make sure that you are following it every day, or following the teaching of my section after each sections. So I will be focusing more on that, which means that after each sections I will be giving you notes, I will be giving you the question answers. After that you will be sending me the picture of the notes which you made. Clear? So that's I hope that's clear from your side, from my side, and moreover, when we are focusing, we actually made a WhatsApp group, right? So almost every students of 7 and 8 are there. Clear? Some more students are there, and one main thing, it is very mandatory to stay in the group. Don't leave the group, okay? Until and unless the prior consent from the teacher, you can't leave the group. So we added you for your studies. Clear? So if you are continuing in St. Mary's School, so just follow the rules and regulations which we are going to put in the WhatsApp group. So don't leave the WhatsApp group. So, and one more thing from my side is that all YouTubers says that, right? All YouTubers says that subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So when we are making the videos, we came to know the struggle behind every videos, behind every all these videos which posted in the YouTube. So from my side, a humble request, you just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. We are not professionals, but we are just going to teach you. So in that case only, I'm just asking I'm just requesting you to do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So hereafter, all the videos or all the online sections which I am taking will be coming to your mobile. If you don't want to miss anything, you will be getting the notifications. So humbly my request, just do that, okay? So here I am just going to introduce some books, the main books of English for class 7 and 8. So the first one here, first I will introduce the book for 8th standard students, the Integrated Skills Course in English, English Ladder. The name of the book is English Ladder, and this by Falcon Series. The publication's name is Falcon Series. So this will be the main book for you. I know that you won't be having this book, but book is available in school. But as of lockdown, we can't buy this book. No issues. Don't worry about that. Before I take a chapter, before I take a lesson from this book, I will be sending this. Okay, I will be sending this a PDF file of the chapter prior to the online sections, so you can read it and just focus on my class. So mainly I will be taking short stories and poems from this book. So within 20 minutes we can complete all the short stories or the main subject or the poems we can complete. Because of that only, I am taking mainly focusing on short stories. Clear? Before going to the next book, my sincere apologies for the background noise coming. It's not just a song from temple. We just respect all the religions, so it's okay. But just focus on the sections, just what I am telling here. Because you don't have the book, because you just want to focus here. So just focus on my speech. Humble apologies for the background sounds coming. So this is for 8th standard. Again for 8th standard students, the grammar book, High School English Grammar and Composition, Wren and Martin. So this is very important book for 8th standard. Your 8th standard students are going to be in the high school. So I selected this book for you people 8th standard, and this will be the book hereafter you will be learning. So mainly the grammar sections I won't be trying to conduct here because sometimes grammar can be as tough as mathematics. I used to say in the classes. So it can be as tough as mathematics. So here I will try to explain some of the easiest chapter or easiest lesson chapters of the grammar, but not fully. So mainly we will see from the school, or we will be going to see this book, but just an introduction. For the introduction I just mentioned the book. Now for the 7th standard, we will be having this Learning English, a complete course in English by Ratna Sagar. Okay, so this book is also available in school, but because of lockdown you won't be getting. Same as I said to 8th standard students, 7th standard, prior to the my class online section of this book, I will be just clicking the photo and making a PDF file and sending you to that particular chapter just prior to my online sections, and you will be also having the grammar with a smile that I won't be focusing right now. I won't be focusing on 7th standard grammar, but 8th standard grammar I will be focusing, plus your main book. So that's about your book. Okay, now I just introduce all 8th standard and 7th standard students to your book, the English book and the grammar, even though I haven't said anything about 7th standard grammar book, but it's okay, fine, we will going ahead, going forward, we will see that. But as I said before earlier, once in a blue moon only we will be taking this chapter or this grammar portions, so don't worry about that. So after I'm just telling something regarding after the online sections, after each online sections of me for you for 8th or for 7th, clear? So after each sections I will ask you to prepare notes. I will be sharing you the notes, I will be sharing you the question answers, but after posting a video I will be giving you entire one day to go through that video and just clear all the doubts. If you have any doubts, just rewind it and play again, and if still doubt prevails, you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me in person. You have my number, almost everyone have my number, so just otherwise we will give an half an hour permission to test in the WhatsApp group which we made. Okay, so I hope you won't be misusing that, clear? So I will be, otherwise no problem, you can just test me in person, and if you have any doubt then I will clear. It's fine, not an issue, because we are just spending our time for you students. Okay, so making all these videos, everything, it's everything for you, so it's okay, fine, no issue. You can test me, and other teachers, their rules and regulation they will be telling in their videos, but as a whole I am telling this will be the main thing we are focusing. Okay, so that's it. Then you will be, as I said, you will be having a one day clarification time. After that you want to make the notes which I given, or you want to make the summary which I have given plus question answers, and you will be testing me in person. So that's all for this introduction video. If I have left something behind, I will remind you going forward, clear? So just kindly subscribe the channels of all teachers who are posting the videos, so then only you will be getting the notifications. So just subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you don't press the bell icon, then you won't be getting the notification for the next time. So I'm just making sure that you don't want to miss any classes of any teacher. So make sure you are doing that. You are very good in multimedia, social media and everything. I know you are good students and you have that ability of social media. So kindly please do that. Okay, and have a great day, have a great weekend. I wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay home. Okay, be in a good mood. Take all this thing positive, we are down, everything is down, economy, we can't go outside, but just hope for the better tomorrow. It will come by the grace of the God, by the Almighty. It is going to come. So just pray for that good day and be in hope.